I mixed eggs and beetroots, and they taste delicious. In a blender, add 2 diced beetroots and 3 eggs. Also, add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of oil. Blend well until smooth. If you are always watching our videos, you are loving our recipes, then like this video to help us, and write in the comments below where you are watching us from, so that I can personally thank you. Now transfer the mix into a bowl. Add 2 cups of flour, sift it. It will help you once you start mixing. Now mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Keep mixing slowly until the baking powder gets dissolved. Transfer the dough into a baking pan already greased with butter and dusted with flour. You guys won't believe how delicious this cake will taste. It'll surprise you. Put our cake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the filling. Here I have a 200-gram chocolate bar inside a bowl. Put it inside a pot full of boiling water. Add also 200 grams of cream cheese. You just have to keep mixing until the chocolate melts. Now it's perfect. The chocolate is completely melted. I have already taken the cake out of the oven. Now we only need to coat it with our chocolate cream. And our recipe is done. Easy to bake. It's a new way of eating beetroots. I am sure you're gonna love it. I really hope you liked our recipe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!